Starting my day with a morning walk with the dogs. That's the edge of our village. Doesn't take much to get out into the countryside here. Lovely morning. Dogs. This is our local Buddhist retreat. I absolutely love this windmill. Okay then, come on over. Good girl, Pix. Come on, Alf, you can do it. Good boy, come on. Right through the mud, lovely. Chicken farm. That's the route back to the village. A nice little 40-minute circuit. Here they come, double trouble. Pigs. Now the dogs have been walked, I'm going to turn this little lot into a chickpea and lentil pie, big enough for 2 days. That's the potatoes bubbling away for the mashed topping. Just frying up all the vegetables. I'm going to add some herbs. We've got some basil. Oh, I was going to put in some oregano, but the pot's empty. Okay, we have oregano. Salt. pepper. It's about 6 ounces of lentils. Tin of chickpeas. Tomatoes. And about 300 mils of stock. So just let that cook up for a little while until the lentils have cooked. I haven't got a lid for this pan, it broke years ago, so we're making do with an old plate. Gas 6 for about 25 minutes. This is going to be a bit of an experiment. I've never done this before, but it's going to be vegan parmesan. I've got about 150 grams of cashew nuts, some nutritional yeast flakes, salt, it's supposed to be sea salt but I haven't got any, and garlic powder. So that's 150 grams of raw cashews, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast flakes, which is 15 grams, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, which is going to be whizzed up in the blender. See how it goes. That is perfect. Vegan parmesan, wonderful. That's worked really well. It's made almost half a coffee jar full of vegan parmesan, which apparently stores well in the fridge, so we'll see. While dinner's cooking in the oven, lunch is going to be a pickled beetroot sandwich from beetroot I grew in the garden. Et voila! Fresh out the oven. Lentil and chickpea pie. Second walk of the day. And we've come down to Lydney Lake, having a walk around the lake while we get 2 new tyres put on the car. Pixie, come away from those ducks. Come here.
Pixie, come here. If we go.
Pixie, come back here. Pix! In! Good girl. Elf, in! Might as well do a bit of non-essential shopping while we're in Lydney. Dogs will wait patiently there for us.
When it first operated, it had canvas sails, which were replaced by patent sails. We've reached the end of our time here in Norfolk.
And dinner is served. These are our winter lights. I have to stress they're not Christmas lights because we don't celebrate Christmas. But it's just to brighten up these long dark winter nights.